Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the Waze app. So let's start. First open the Google Play Store and search for Waze app. This app is completely free to download. So download this app right now and open it. The layout of this app is similar to the Google Maps. Now tap on the search bar at the top of the screen to search for location. And you'll see many category options just below the search bar. Now let's search for a location. Here you will see all the information about this location. And if you tap on Go, it will start navigating. Here it shows an overview. Now tap on the blue icon and if you resume, it will resume your navigation. And you can check out the route it is showing. Now if you recenter and tap on the blue icon again, there is an option to add a stop. Now let's add a stop to this navigation. And if you tap on Go, it will update the navigation. And here you can see that the navigation has been updated. And if you want to stop the navigation, tap on the blue arrow icon and tap stop. Now if you tap on car info, you can choose the type of vehicle you are commuting in. You can also avoid toll roads by enabling avoid toll road option. Now if you tap on the search icon at the bottom left corner, here you will see your recent locations. You can add the location of your home as well as your work. And if you tap on favorites, you will be able to add the locations you visit frequently. And that's how you can use the Waze app. So if this video helps you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.